Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the filter function in Google Sheets. The filter function is used to extract rows or columns from a range that meet one or more specific conditions. Now let's look at the syntax of the filter function. Equals filter, range, condition 1, condition 2. Here, range is the data you want to filter, and condition is the rule that the data must follow. Now let's see an example. We have employee names in column B and their salaries in column C. If we want to find employees whose salary is more than 60,000, we will write the formula. Equal to filter bracket B2 colon B12 comma C2 colon C12 greater than 60,000. After pressing enter, you can see the list of employees whose salary is greater than $60,000. Now let's add one more condition. Suppose we want employees whose investment is greater than $10,000, which is in column D. We will extend the formula by adding another condition, comma D2 colon D12 greater than 10,000. Now the filter function will return employees who have a salary greater than 60,000 and an investment greater than $10,000. This is how the filter function works in Google Sheets and Excel. It is very useful when working with large datasets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.